Alright, well this is another video showing two of my images with the number 8 circuit. And I'm going to do two schoolhouses, one exterior, one interior. The first one is called Schoolyard near Lodgepole, South Dakota, 2008. And it's a pretty long photograph. And I stretched it, let's say the schoolyard is actually kind of small, but the circuit camera seems to stretch it out, makes it look bigger than what it really is. And of course this is abandoned. It's been probably not used for decades. We'll get to the schoolhouse here in a second. Now one thing about circuit images is when you crop them, you can't crop on the top or the bottom. You only crop on the ends. So you try to get your, you have to compose them rather carefully. Now, one thing I've done is the way I roll my film is avoid a problem that's very common, which is like a white band at the top in the print, which is actually a dark band in the negative. That's caused by light leaking through the around the backing paper. But the way I roll my film, I can avoid that. There's one of my videos has an explanation of how I roll the film. Now, this thing still worked quite well. Bearings held up. It turns around in a circle. And this was probably done with, well, I'm pretty sure it would have been, let's see, I'm going to try to guess at what lens I used. That was probably a 310 millimeter lens. I've got four lenses for my camera, 125, 240, 310, and 480. Alright, now what I'm going to try to do is show you another image, and this is going to be of an interior. And I have to go over here. Here it is. And this is an interior. It's a schoolhouse near Malogorski, North Dakota, number 1, 1998. And there's a lot of unusual things in this image, and I'll show you. The first thing is, okay, here we go. You can read a lot of the writing on this blackboard. For example, here, this was done, and she wrote it on 1994. I went to second grade, 1929. Teacher was Miss, I guess, Mandigo, I guess, was here about 12 years ago, was pleased it was in such good condition. Then question mark happened. Independence, Oregon. Let's see here. Get some more. Something in Spanish. I don't know what it is. I can hardly read some of it. There's a lot of it. We were here too. Gerald Caffer was here back in 1994. Here we go. There's another board here. All right. Went to school here from 1954. 1957. Visited in 1993. April. This was here in 92. Let's see if I can. Some of the old students think we need to something the building. And anyway, now it says treasurer is so and so. That's because some of these buildings were used as township halls after they were stopped using them as schools. And here's one. It's funny. Started going out on 11/9/88. Today is 11/25/89, and still going out. Now I'm going to pause the video for a second, and I'm going to show you the work that I did. One image I did with my 8x10" view camera. Okay, this is the image I did with my 8x10, same schoolhouse, and you can see you can't see any of the writing on the board. The circuit is, just pure contact, but I'm going to, but basically that's about it, I think. So thanks for watching.